Hi Data 220 friends. I want to make a little video for you to show you how to save and export your work so that you can upload it onto Canvas. So here I am in RStudio. I've just finished up filling in all the boxes in whatever R module I'm working on. I happen to be working on R module number 3, but they all work pretty much the same way. Hooray, I'm done. I need to save my work and get it into an HTML file so that I can upload it to Canvas. There's 3 things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is click up here in the Run drop-down window, click on Restart R and Run All Chunks. You'll get this little progress bar down here that will show you the progress through the module. I want to quickly run through and make sure that all of my stuff got executed and that there's no errors. Looks good, yay. So then the next thing that I need to do, thing number 2, is I need to go to this preview button right here. You need to click on preview. Sometimes you will need to click it twice. I don't really know why, just something about how RStudio works. Now I get this lovely HTML file. I'm going to scan through it and just make sure that everything's in there. All my answers appear. Hooray, that looks good. And then I can make sure that there's no typos and so on. Once I'm happy with that, here's the third thing that I need to do. I need to go over here into the Files pane. I'm going to click the little tick box next to the .nb.html file, and I'm going to click on More and then Export. Then I can choose whatever name I want. I often like to put a little SB or whatever, or finished to, if I can spell finished, to make sure that I know that this is the one that I'm going to upload. Then I'll go ahead and click Download, and it'll save it to my computer or wherever. I'm just going to put it right on my desktop. That looks fine. And then I can upload it to Canvas and be done with the assignment. You need to follow those 3 steps every time that you submit one of your R module files onto Canvas. Otherwise, your work might not be saved. You might accidentally upload a blank file. That would be sad. Please let me know if you have any questions.